Hey guys, what is up? So I know it's been like a really long time since I've done any sort of car videos on my account, and a lot of you guys have been asking for them, and I do apologize, but it's just really hard with like travel and everything to get car videos, and the fact that I haven't been able to do anything or bring the cars anywhere to have anything done. But with exciting news, I did buy a new car and I am really excited, so that is why I'm making this video. Long story short, we went down to Miami last weekend for Tuner Evo, and I've been looking for this car for a little while now, and Jacksonville just doesn't have them around the area, and the closest area was Miami that had it. And so on the way down, we stopped in and we looked at it, and I just like instantly fell in love and bought the car. So now we are on the way down to Miami to get the car. I'm really excited. Are you excited?
Very excited.
We got a new baby in the family.
And we get rid of the piece of shit.
Yeah, it's not a piece of shit, okay? I love the Mark 6. I love that car to death. It's the most comfortable car I think I've owned, even though I've only owned like 3 cars in my lifetime. I love driving it, and it is for sale, so if you know anybody in like the Jacksonville, Orlando area who is interested in a Mark 6 GTI, I have it for sale. I might put the Craigslist ad down below. It is not my contact info, so I know you guys, it's not my info. My management's gonna be dealing with the sale of the car, so if you're interested, truly interested, it is for sale, sadly. So those who do want to know a little bit more info on the Mark 6, it is stage 3 APR on Phaeton wheels. It has about 90K miles on it. It's very clean. The interior is really nice. I took very good care of it. It's a great car and somebody should definitely buy it. Guys, I am so excited. This drive couldn't go any faster. We literally drove yesterday home from Miami from Tuner Evo, and that was a 5-hour drive, and now we have to drive back today. 4.5 hours. And then 4.5 hours home. Yay. Worth it. This is the moment.
Sorry.
Are you sorry?
Not really.
You're pulling into the dealership right now.
There it is.
I'm so excited.
Don't show it.
Y'all will see very soon. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys. I look like a mess. Alright guys, I just got my keys to the car. Are you guys ready to see? I know a lot of you are going to be sad because it is not a Volkswagen. I went and I got a BMW. I am so excited. Alright, it's official. Here is my new baby. So I got a beautiful M2 2019. You guys don't understand. The excitement is so real right now. I have been saving for this car for so long, and I wanted it for so long. I was looking at the 2018s prior, but then as soon as they released the 19s, I was like, I need this car. Guys, just look how pretty it is. Oh, I can't see. Okay, so we ended up running out of light to show you guys the car, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. We washed the car yesterday, and I'm so happy to have it home and clean, and I literally cannot believe I have this car right now. So here is the new whip. Wow, that sounded so lame. Why am I so lame? So I picked the car up from Miami, so we ended up having to drive all the way down there, like I said, and drive all the way back. So now I have already 400 miles on the car. smile every time I turn on the car. It makes me so happy. So, I'm really frustrated because I just recorded, well, I thought I recorded an entire clip, and lo and behold, it wasn't recording. Whatever. But, like I was saying, I had posted a few stories on my Instagram, and a lot of you guys had guessed an M4 because of the stitching in the seat, and it is an M2 obviously, but they did put the M4 seats in this generation. So I'm super in love with the interior. I'm a big fan of when owning and driving a car, having comfortable interior and driving. I love the blue stitching. I know they have the orange stitching as well, I believe, and I just think the blue is more subtle, and I love it. Pretty sure purple is just my color today. Oh man, this is not good to do with nails. The struggle.
Hello.
Hello. It's bright out.
So you're trying to like smash some gears and chill later?
Hell yeah. Can we like get this video that I have in my head?
What?
I really want to get you like standing over there, and I just want to kind of like run across the car and like jump.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's see how it goes. So, are you happy with it?
I'm in love with it. What kind of question is that? Oh man.
We should probably finish washing the car like now.
Hurry up.
Sun will go down.
Yeah, that's true. We're getting distracted.